No, it's kung saan yung ano bro, halimbawa I said that we clean up Elk Grove Park, so we are here.
Yeah.
Then kung sabihin nila, no, may nag-clean up na sa Elk Grove Park, then they will either trail, pwede tayo sa Area 51, pwede tayo doon. Baka next year, ano tayo.
Mas maganda rito, may lilis.
Yeah.
Mas pwede na picnic.
So Sir Brian will run for mayor here in Elk Grove. We will support him 100%.
Thank you.
I'm hoping that this time he will win the battle for being a mayor. We need like him. He is
service to the community.
Service to the community. Like now, it's a good example. Joining the Elk Grove cleanup, which is good for our environment. Okay, so let's go. Alright, good morning! Nandito po kami ngayon sa Elk Grove Park. So this is one of our event, what do you call that? Project to our Night of Rizal Sacramento Landmark. Is one of our community outreach project. So we will pick up trashes here in Elk Grove Park. Okay, let's have our commander, Kuyang Sir Cesar Soto, to tell more about this project that we're doing. All right.
Hi everyone. I'm Cesar, the president of this non-profit organization. So we are here to participate the Elk Grove community services that they are encourage people living in the community to participate their program. So the program is the community cleanup drive. So as a group of Knights of Rizal Landmark chapter, so we participate their program to help our community maintain the cleanliness of the Elk Grove Community Park. This is Sir Brian, my deputy commander.
Hello everyone. It's our beautification process. We're keeping Elk Grove clean. We're picking up trash. You know, unfortunately, we can't control everybody who accidentally dumps their trash in the neighborhood, but we're here to keep it clean and beautiful.
All right. So, okay, mahiya.
Good morning.
Morning. Good morning. So, time to clean up. So we are going specifically sharp objects, because you know it's broken glasses. So that's so dangerous to the people that comes in, you know, enjoy the park. So alright, let's go and clean up. Okay, ito yung mga gagamitin namin. We have a pickers, we have a garbage, we have a gloves, and may mga kwant tayo dyan. So this is our kids. They're participating also. Hello. Yeah, he will be our chapter commander. I mean chapter. I'm getting confused. So, anyways, he will next week. He will be the Demolay. There you go. The chapter counselor. Okay.
This one is there.
Yeah. We need to return this, but that one is okay, and the trash is okay. This one we need to return this one too.
Okay. So. Yeah.
So remember, kids, if you got sharp object, that tell us so that it will not.
Do we have a specific bucket for the sharp object? Buckets. So we need to wear
gloves.
Gloves. Okay. lang tayo dito. Marami ring mga hindi mo nakikita, pero when you go deeper, makikita mo yung mga basura. Yan, punta tayo dito. Ayun na. Marami na ba? Marami na?
Ayos. Maraming sigarilyo.
Sigarilyo.
Sigarilyong di maubos, masakit sa likod eh.
Maraming
Oh, dami oh. Oh, may hula hoop pa.
A
Oh.
lot of condoms,
Condoms?
used condoms, and dirty diapers.
Dang! What are these people doing here? They can't afford to go to the hotel?
The proceeds for the profits for the barong.
A few moments later.
So, ito na yung mga nakuha na namin. At marami oh.
Nadali?
So picture tayo bro.
Yeah, so mga ito.
Kasi
Kape-kape.
Ako akala ko dumiretso tayo.
hindi ko alam kung bigyan tayo ng ano nila ng appreciation din. So,
Kape-kape.
Picture time.
May donut. Kain mo. Hey kids, come on.
get some donuts.
This
That one.
Yeah, we will let first.
Spanish bread.
Spanish bread.
Yeah. From
Get the
Janelle's. Janelle's is bigger than Star Bread.
Is that by Wackford?
Yeah, across. He's there every day.
Mm.
Top 3 bakeries in Elk Grove.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What's the top one?
No, he's one of the top 3. There's 3 bakeries in Elk Grove,
Mm.
and he's one of the 3.
I like Janelle.
Yeah.
So, what's the history join ng KOR?
In the beginning, in the 1950s, in order to join Knights of Rizal, you have to be a Freemason. That was the requirement. Freemason first to join Knights of Rizal.
And where is when Dr. Serizal became a Mason? Do you know? Do you remember the history?
I believe
In
1902.
Germany.
Is it Germany?
No, you know Spain. He was
Spain.
he became a Freemason by the Grand Lodge of Spain.
Spain. Yeah, yung ano nila. Yeah. And when his birthday was
It's June.
12.
No, June
19.
19.
Yeah.
One day after mine. So I
June
remember.
19. Nako.
1864. I forgot.
Yeah.
Ay,
And he was born in Calamba, Laguna.
and had 13 girlfriends.
Yeah. Name 3 of them.
visited
I don't know.
Indonesia last 1888 May.
It's Vilma.
You know, when we went to
Maria.
when we did the drop off, donation drop off in one of the school in Philippines, the elementary school. So that was one of the question that they asked the kids, like, because we had like a 100 pesos
Who's the national hero?
prize, and a kid knows the full name of Rizal.
Protasio, ano?
Tasio, Marcado, Alonso, Rialonda,
Dami ah.
Rizal.
Mercado Rizal.
Mercado, may
And
Yeah, and he was an eye doctor.
Yeah.
Eye doctor.
yeah, he is
But he spoke also 13 different languages.
wow. Okay.
Yes.
That's
He's
very
linguist.
smart.
13.
How many
13 girlfriends, 13 languages.
the first Filipino international playboy.
So when did this Knight of Rizal establish?
1950.
59.
was chartered
51.
1951 under the Republic Act of 646. There you go.
73
goodness.
years.
Yeah.
I
So
think he also established the definition of domicile versus residence.
kaya ngayon ang ano
right.
In Tagalog, diyan siya nakatira, diyan siya tumitira, doon siya tumitira.
Kala ko. Magkaiba yung tumitinitira.
That's a different meaning.
He established the definition of domicile versus residence
Okay. And
via pronunciation.
pronunciation, yeah. It make a lot of difference by saying in a different pronunciation. Tumira, tinitira.
Only. Tumitira, diyan siya tumitira, doon siya tumitira.
Oh, yeah. See? That's a Tagalog. That's the different meaning. Ayan, tapos na po kaming naglinis ng park dito sa Elk Grove Park. At masaya naman habang namumulot nagkukwentuhan. So yun naman. And then after that, may kape-kape kami dito. So ayan po, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aming vlog. Hopefully, magkikita tayo ulit next year for another cleanup drive dito sa Elk Grove. So we need to protect our environment. Make sure na wala tayong mga kalat-kalat dito, especially mga plastic. So ngayon, anong masasabi mo na ating commander?
So at the start we look, the park is clean, but when we nearby the area, there's a lot of like cigarette butts, broken glasses, plastic cups, and also like the plastic bottles. So that's important because when it goes to the ground, it will last like 10 years, 20 years in the ground. So that's why we are looking for here. I think the cleanup drive is positive.
That's good. That's good. And from our deputy commander here.
So we're keeping Elk Grove beautiful. You know, it's very tough to live in a community where we have to clean up after ourselves and for others. And
just to let you know, just wanted to shout out to Sir Brian, and he will be running for Elk Grove Mayor. So we will support
November
him.
5.
So Brian Pastor running for mayor in Elk Grove this coming November election, national election. And so yeah, suportahan natin ang kapwa Pilipino, mga taga Elk Grove dyan. Boto natin si Brian Pastor. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Bye-bye you.
Meanwhile,
No, if you start feeding them, they'll all come here.
Daming pato, oh. Ito, sarap na kaldereta, oh. Pato.
You get the voters registration and the ballots in the mail?
Yeah.
Okay.